Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn world. Today we'll see how to create a layered flower. First create a magic ring and then chain 3, double crochet 2 together, and then chain 3 and double crochet 3 together, chain 3. Do double crochet 3 together 4 more times with chain 3 spaces in between. And then join with the in the top of the first double crochet 3 together with a slip stitch. Tighten the magic ring and then secure your knots. Change the color of the yarn to purple and then do a single crochet in the chain 3 space and then half double crochet, 3 double crochets, and then 1 half double crochet and 1 single crochet. So this is our first layer of petals. So in the next chain 3 space, again 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 3 double crochets, and then 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet. So repeat this in all the chain 3 spaces. This will be our layer 1 of petals. So end this by doing a slip stitch on first single crochet. So to do the second round of layer we need some chain spaces. For that just turn around and find any loop toward the stem of this petal and do a slip stitch. And then chain 5, slip stitch towards the loop of the next stem, and then chain 5. Keep repeating this around so that we have 6 chain 5 spaces to work on the next layer of petals. So once you are done, join with the first chain using a slip stitch. Meanwhile, if you want to cut off the excess yarn and secure the loop, you can do so. We'll work the second layer of petals. Single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 5 double crochets, and then 1 half double crochet and then 1 single crochet. So this is our first petal for the second layer. So you need to keep doing this around for layer 2 of petals. 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 5 double crochets, one half double crochet and 1 single crochet. Keep doing this around and join with the first single crochet using a slip stitch. So our second layer of petals is now complete. We'll start working third layers chain spaces. So we are going to do as before. So we are going to create chain spaces. We are going to create chain 7 spaces for the next layer. Just turn around, slip stitch on any loop near the stem, chain 5, chain 7, slip stitch, chain 7, slip stitch in any loop near the stem, and keep repeating this around for 6 chain 7 spaces to work our layer 3 of petals. End the chain 7 space with the slip stitch near the first chain. So we'll start working third layer. For this, 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 7 double crochets, and 1 half double crochet, and then 1 single crochet. So you need to keep repeating this in all the chain 7 spaces. 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 7 double crochet, and 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet. We are going to keep repeating this in all the chain 7 spaces around, and then end with the slip stitch on the first starting single crochet. Secure the loops and then cut off the excess yarn. So now our beautiful layered flower is ready. You can use it as an accent for any headband or any crochet projects that you desire. Please try this at home, and do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl. Thank you.